Take your CJ7 all the way to 11. Jeepin' with cool guy.
Now that the body's off, you can see where the rear crossmember has rotted through and it's in variously bad places. Mine, I don't know if it came from the factory this way, it's actually bolted on. So there's two main bolts that hold this bracket on, which is welded into the main part of the rear crossmember. You can see I've got a little bit of rust here. I've already got the replacement bracket that will weld over the top of that. So we just need to take off these two bolts here, and then this whole crossmember should hopefully just come off. There's a couple bolts underneath here we'll have to take care of too. So let's get started with this one. Mine are 11/16. I don't really understand how that works. I've never actually used an 11/16 socket, but hey. Back with big dogs, I want the breaker bar. It's a pretty solid bolt there. I'm going to see if I can pop that through with a hammer. This one I did earlier and already snapped the screw head off, so. Yeah, pretty cool. So it looks like there's a couple components to this. Wow, as you can see, that bolt is really rusted through. There's not much left of that. So this is a support bracket that connects the rear frame piece, or the rear frame, to the crossmember, rear crossmember. And there's two bolts here, and one bolt underneath here. These all connect to the rear trailer hitch, and the bumperettes that go on here. I had taken these off long ago and snapped those bolts off, so I'm hoping that this is a little bit easier of a removal, although it does look like there's a spot weld here. So I'm guessing that this is probably a support bracket for the trailer hitch, so I might need to keep this or try and find a new one because this thing's pretty rusted through. Also, it looks like there's some kind of inner metal coupling that the bolt was part of. I don't know if I can get that out. Let's see. I'll wipe it from the inside. Oh, there you go. Yeah, that was worth it.